Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's gonna be a tutorial about iPhone, and I would like to show to you the way how to disable the notification previews on your iPhone when it's locked. So the first thing you have to do is just go open the settings, and whenever you open it you just need to scrolling down until you found notifications part. Now you just need to click it to open it. And now you just need to jump into the second boxes that containing this three information, and you just need to click this show previews. Just need to click over here, and if you want to disable the previews for your notification, you just need to choose when unlocked. So whenever your phone is in a lock condition, the phone will be received the notification, but they will not gonna have a previews. So the notification will be popped up or will be shown on your screen whenever you unlocked the phone. And whenever you're done just the settings, you just need to go back, and now the notification on your phone is already set. So that's the way how to disable the notification previews on your phone when it's locked. Hopefully this tutorial is useful for you, and don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel for more iPhone tutorial.